Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am out here reorganizing some of the big pots at the Carolina Garden House. And I knew I had some sweet potatoes growing in these planters that had been up on the front porch of the house. And I just kind of undid them, and I can't wait to show you what they look like. It's everything that it should be, right? When you're growing sweet potatoes in a pot. Ta-da! So these are the pots that the sweet potatoes were planted in. And you can see one variety sets an orange root, and this variety sets a purple. I don't remember the cultivars at this stage, but these are both part of the Treasure Island series. So I'm gonna kind of tear these apart and see how many tubers I can collect. Well, it's not the biggest harvest, but it's definitely one that I know we'll enjoy on Thanksgiving. And I hope that you'll be inspired to grow some food and flowers together, create your own foodscape container, and ultimately reap the rewards. Well, wishing you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving. Take care, everybody, and thanks for watching.